Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the one and only Negz Negar, a fashion influencer who's taking the style world by storm. Get ready to be mesmerized by her stunning looks, captured in breathtaking 4K slow motion. Negz Negar is not just any influencer. She's a trendsetter with an eye for detail. Her outfits are always on point, blending the latest trends with her personal flair. Let's take a closer look at some of her most iconic looks. From chic streetwear to elegant evening gowns, Negz's wardrobe has something for every fashion enthusiast. You'll see how she effortlessly combines different pieces to create ensembles that are both stylish and relatable. It's not just about the clothes. It's about the confidence and charisma that Negz brings to each outfit. As she struts, poses, and twirls, you'll feel the energy and passion she has for fashion. The 4K slow motion captures every detail, from the flow of fabric to the sparkle in her accessories, giving you a full appreciation of her artistry. Negz Negar's influence extends beyond just fashion. She's an advocate for self-expression and encourages her followers to embrace their individuality. Through her content, she aims to inspire others to be bold and confident in their style choices. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this visual feast. Whether you're a longtime fan of Negz Negar or discovering her for the first time, this video is sure to captivate and inspire. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion-forward content. Thanks for watching, everyone. Join us next time as we celebrate more incredible talents and styles. See you in the next video.